Hello, dear friends, and welcome. Today, we embark on a journey together, a quest to cultivate joy in our everyday lives. Just as we tidy our homes to spark joy, we can also create simple, mindful habits that bring peace and happiness to our days. I'm excited to share some of my favorite tips with you, so please, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss a single step on this journey. Let's begin. When you awake each morning, take a deep breath and feel the new day unfolding before you. Before the busyness of the day begins, allow yourself a few moments of peace and tranquility. Take a moment to connect with yourself. Close your eyes, place your hand over your heart, and repeat a positive affirmation. Feel the warmth of your hand and the rhythm of your heartbeat. It could be as simple as, "Today I choose joy," or "I am worthy of love and respect." Or perhaps, "I am capable of amazing things and I embrace the challenges ahead with confidence." These small words, whispered with intention, can set the tone for a brighter, more fulfilling day. They act as gentle reminders of your inner strength and potential. Remember, just as a single spark can ignite a flame, a single positive thought can transform your entire outlook. It can be the catalyst for a day filled with positivity and purpose. So, as you go about your day, carry these affirmations with you. Let them guide your actions and influence your interactions. Embrace the power of positive thinking and watch how it shapes your reality. Each moment is an opportunity to reaffirm your intentions and to live in alignment with your true self. The power of affirmations lies in their ability to transform not just your day, but your entire life. As the day comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on the positive affirmations you embraced. Let them be the last thoughts you carry into your dreams, setting the stage for another day of joy and fulfillment. Water, the elixir of life, nourishes our bodies and our minds. Throughout the day, make a conscious effort to stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle with you at all times, a beautiful reminder to sip and refresh. You might choose a special bottle that sparks joy when you see it, encouraging you to drink more. Remember, even small sips throughout the day can make a world of difference in how you feel. Movement is a gift to our bodies, a way to energize and invigorate ourselves. It's not just about physical health, but also about mental well-being. When we move, we release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that lift our spirits and reduce stress. Whether it's a gentle stretch or a vigorous jog, every movement counts. Even a short exercise routine, just 10 minutes of mindful movement, can have a profound impact on your day. It can boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and improve your focus. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. Your living room can become your personal fitness space. Step outside for a brisk walk, feeling the sun on your face and the wind in your hair. Nature has a way of refreshing our minds and bodies. Walking is one of the simplest forms of exercise, yet it's incredibly effective. It helps in maintaining a healthy weight, strengthening bones, and improving cardiovascular fitness. Try gentle stretches, feeling your muscles awaken and your mind clear. Stretching increases flexibility, reduces muscle tension, and enhances your range of motion. It's a perfect way to start or end your day, bringing a sense of calm and relaxation. Remember, exercise isn't about striving for perfection, but about honoring your body and embracing the joy of movement. It's about finding what makes you feel good and sticking with it. Whether you're dancing, hiking, or practicing yoga, let the joy of movement be your guide. Celebrate every step, every stretch, and every heartbeat. In the whirlwind of our busy lives, it's easy to forget the importance of stillness. Make time for short breaks throughout your day, moments to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension or stress and allow yourself to simply be present in this moment. Remember, even a few minutes of mindfulness can bring a sense of calm and clarity to your day. As the day draws to a close, take a moment to reflect on the gifts it has brought. Before you drift off to sleep, recall the moments that sparked joy, big or small. Perhaps it was a warm cup of tea, a shared laugh with a loved one, or the simple beauty of a sunset. By focusing on gratitude, we shift our perspective to one of abundance and appreciation. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for joy. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovering simple habits for a better life. It's been a wonderful experience sharing these moments with you, and I hope you found some inspiration along the way. Whether it's through small daily routines or larger lifestyle changes, every step counts. Remember, even small changes can have a big impact on our overall well-being. Simple acts like watering your plants, cooking a nutritious meal, or taking a morning jog can significantly enhance your mood and energy levels. These little habits, when practiced consistently, can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful life. I encourage you to share your own tips for living well in the comments below. Let's create a community of joy and inspiration. Your experiences and insights can help others on their journey to a happier, healthier life. Together, we can build a supportive network where everyone feels motivated and uplifted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on tidying, mindful living, and sparking joy in every aspect of your life. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest content designed to help you live your best life. Until next time, keep sparking joy and embracing the beauty of everyday moments. Thank you for being part of this wonderful community,